Honestly, I feel like Prajakta is one of those very few actors that I immediately bonded with on set, not just as an actor but as a person also.
ब्रेक होता था तो कुणाल बोले क्या खाएगी खाना मंगा रही, do you want to eat? And that is also how I express that, you know, love in general. If you share food, for me that's the so मेरे लिए वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे.
I haven't seen the show.
Okay.
So मैंने तो देखा नहीं है, आपने देखा है, तो मुझे अभी पता नहीं है मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. वो तो अभी पता चल जाएगा कल. I also would like to be cast in a more kind of earthy version of me.
Yeah.
But I have that accent, I have that, you know, एक होता है तरीका बोलने का. पर अगर anti casting की अगर आप बात करें तो would have been amazing to do something like that.
I don't think we're as privileged as people think कि हम choose करके काम कर रहे हैं. कभी-कभी आपके पास choice नहीं होती है और आप काम करते हैं because घर भी चलाना होता है. और
I've always said मेरी त्वचा से मेरी उम्र का पता नहीं चलता.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
जितनी शिद्दत से इमोशंस और फीलिंग्स से ये लाइन बोली गई थी, अमूल का पापा मैं ही बनूंगा और उसे घर मैं ही ले जाऊंगा, बस उतनी ही शिद्दत से मैं भी एक लाइन बोलूँगी कि इस वीक जो एक शो है यही आपको सबसे ज़्यादा एंटरटेन करेगा एंड होपफुली नेटफ्लिक्स की मोस्ट वॉच लिस्ट भी यही टॉप करेगा.
क्या बात है.
Thank you.
So welcome to India Forums,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
The show has been watched. It's amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm not just saying it for the sake of it, but it truly is.
Thank you.
So congratulations, and I'll start with you, Prajakta and Kunal. The thing that I like the most about the show, like of course there's the whole baby thing, the parenthood, family, everything. But what touched me the most was the sibling bond till the end, because you know it felt relatable, real, everything, and you could see you and your sibling, you know, doing all these things for each other. So I want to know that apart from being great actors and performers, of course, what went into it, you know, to make it look so real and natural?
Honestly, I feel like Prajakta is one of those very few actors that I immediately bonded with on set, not just as an actor but as a person also. And I think somewhere playing her brother, I also got a little protective about her and like the way we would hang. It was like it didn't take time for us to kind of. I wouldn't say we are very close that we are on the phone every single day, but we just pick up from where we are, and I'm very comfortable around her, and I hope she is also, because just doing these scenes also was so much easier because I really felt like I was working with family and somebody that I know really well, and I think that's what comes through. आपने देखे मैंने देखे नहीं, but I'm happy that ऐसा लग रहा है उसको.
Yes. No, same, exactly what he said. In fact, जब मैं पहुंची थी इस पे set पे, I was very very nervous, and again I think it was a huge relief also for me to actually go to set in the initial days and have someone that I can go and like talk to, chill with. I remember मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता था because fan भी रहे हैं बड़े सालों से, तो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता था ना कि ब्रेक होता था तो कुणाल बोले क्या खाएगी खाना मंगा रही, do you want to eat? And that is also how I express that, you know, love in general. If you share food, for me that's the so मेरे लिए वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे, and I think उसी we took each day at a time and that kind of kept building very naturally, and उससे बहुत help हुई.
Of course. Lovely. Coming to you, Neha. So, you know, your character, and on paper, you know, it might have looked like very that righteous and strict, you know, lady and all that things. So I want to know, जब आप पढ़ रहे हो तो it seems that okay, this is what I have to do, it's normal or regular thing. But the character came out in a very different way, you know, it transpired into something way much more than that. So how do you as an actor, you know, add that extra thing to, you know, look above from the script and rise more from that?
So my understanding of the script first only was that no one in the entire series in the show is wrong. Gigi is correct in his place, his mom is correct, the sister is correct, she's trying to achieve whatever. And likewise, even Daya sir's character. And then, you know, there's Romila Nehra, the part that I'm playing. She's not wrong. She may be, you know, if you look at the large overview, that she's the antagonist, because by the end of the show, you fall for the father and son. So anyone who's, you know, trying to come in the middle of that, you feel like, you know, she's doing wrong to the audience by doing her job. But she's also doing her job. And that's the conversation I had with our directors and Shashank as well, that let's not make her wrong. To which they also had an understanding that, yeah, okay, let's go ahead. I was just and just doing my job was the important part, and safeguarding the kid. Now everyone over there is safeguarding the kid with their own interpretation. He thinks that, you know, being his dad is what he needs. I feel that, you know, doing all the checks is what I need. So yeah, and then we also kind of toned down her look a little bit. We didn't
Yeah.
want it to be too stark, and we just wanted to like soften her up look wise. So the combination of that, I haven't seen the show.
Okay.
So मैंने तो देखा नहीं है, आपने देखा है, तो मुझे अभी पता नहीं है मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. वो तो अभी पता चल जाएगा कल.
बट अगर किसी को हेटरेड या जो भी होगा एंड तक यू नो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑल गोना डाई डाउन एंड
Yeah, okay.
Don't put that out.
तो नहीं, I'm saying hatred होगा बीच में.
So also, you know, I want to know that जैसे दया के लिए, this was that anti-casting move, you know, everything, उनकी जो पूरी image है, that has been broken here. So for you, Neha, what would be that anti-casting role, or are you like yearning for something like that, doing something very different?
Yeah, maybe like more on the Gehlot side, which I don't usually get cast as, like, you know, comedy and, you know, things like that would be nice. I also would like to be cast in a more kind of earthy version of me.
Yeah.
But I have that accent, I have that, you know, एक होता है तरीका बोलने का, but I don't. वो एक बहुत कड़क लॉयर मिल गया, पुलिस ऑफिसर का रोल मिल गया, ये सब, which is great.
Yeah,
जब
yeah,
तक
of
मिलते
course.
रहे रोल हम करते रहेंगे. पर अगर एंटी कास्टिंग की अगर आप बात करें तो would have been amazing to do something like that.
Lovely, lovely. Coming to you, ma'am. Ma'am, in the past few years and आपके जो projects हुए हैं, we have seen a sudden shift that while you have that role, you know, being the actor's mom and everything, but there's a very lovely arc to your characters. You know, there's something that has layers and it shifts things always. So, do you think that you are now, you know, choosing consciously that there should be something like that? And also because you're getting this project, ये एक process हो गया कि now you're starting to get more of such layered characters.
No, I'm just grateful
Yeah.
that I'm getting layered characters. I don't think it's up to me. I think I've always been very open to any work that I get, unless मुझे बिल्कुल ही लग रहा है कि इसमें कुछ भी potential नहीं है, then I would probably say no. But I don't think we're as privileged as people think कि हम choose करके काम कर रहे हैं. कभी-कभी आपके पास चॉइस नहीं होती है और आप काम करते हैं बिकॉज घर भी चलाना होता है और बहुत सारे और फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से आप काम चुनते हैं. लेकिन एज एन एक्टर अगर आप छोटे रोल में या ज़रा से मीडियम रोल में अगर आप वो लेयर्स डाल पाते हैं तो आपको खुद को अच्छा लगता है कि चलो इसको मैं कुछ बना पाई. सो आई थिंक वो मज़ा आने लग गया है कि मे बी आई एम फाइंडिंग मोर ट्रूथ इन माई कैरेक्टर्स और फाइंडिंग मोर लेयर्स इन माई कैरेक्टर्स. या
Lovely. Now I'll move to a quick segment, and so this one's a fan thing. So of course जैसे ही trailer आ गया था, it was filled with thousands of comments, but I've picked a few ones and let's get your reactions to the comments. So first one is people who are commenting on Kunal, Daya, Prajakta, everyone, we love you, but I'm actually very happy to see Aisha ma'am on the screen. This one's for you.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू.
What would you want to say to this?
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be on the screen. Yeah, thank you.
Lovely. The next one's for you. Kunal Khemu has been looking like a college dude for the last 20 years.
That is
I
so
read
true.
that one. Yeah.
I've always said मेरी त्वचा से मेरी उम्र का पता नहीं चलता.
प्राजक्ता, ये comment काफ़ी common था and अलग-अलग ways में था, but I love how Prajakta is getting married in
Married, yeah.
almost all her films.
That's why I think she got married this
Yeah.
year.
That's why finally let's just do it.
Yeah.
And you know, they are also talking about that so many wedding looks, like, you know, जितने भी roles आ रहे, you have a different wedding look, and they are taking inspiration from that.
Okay, good. Happy to
मान्यवर
help.
करना है ब्रांड.
I know.
Lovely. The next one is Daya sir is not here, but you can always say that. Daya,
I'm there, sir.
Hello there, sir.
I'm there, sir.
Daya sir is looking pooky.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
And it's like, Neha ma'am, you are one of the most underacted actors. So go guys, keep it up.
Yay.
Thanks.
So go guys, keep it up.
Because she is underrated or underacted, समझ में नहीं आया. या तुम लोग संभाल लेना.
Guys, you got this.
Yeah.
All the best. You have her.
सारे गहलोत एक तरफ और मैं अकेली एक तरफ. Imagine the burden on my shoulders.
Too much.
Underacted.
Oh, okay guys, so there's another segment. You know, up sub, of course, you have raised kids and you have been in the environment and you must have heard things all around because बच्चे तो यहाँ होते. So these are
बच्चे
some.
तो यहाँ वहाँ होते हैं, I love it. हाँ.
She's been raised also, so she
बच्चे
knows.
यहाँ वहाँ होते हैं. हाँ.
So these are some commonly used lines
हाँ जी.
जो आपको you have to react on that and say that is it a myth or
Sure.
you also believe in that.
Right.
First one is if the baby sneezes once, the entire family must panic.
Myth.
It's definitely a myth.
Myth.
Nothing that the baby does to
ऐसा
make you
कुछ नहीं.
panic unless they're choking.
Yeah.
Okay. Newborns can send bad vibes, so don't fight near them.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Okay. If a baby smiles in their sleep, it means angels are talking to them.
That means gas.
Yeah, which is also a way of
90%
saying angels are
talking,
passing.
90% gas.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Cut the baby's hair early to make it grow thicker.
I don't think
Yes,
I think
mundan
that's a myth.
business.
Yeah, I think it's a myth.
No, but it's that whole moon line thing ना जो होती है उनकी तो
क्या बोला?
for हाँ तो
So do
वो
all the people in the
even
West also do mundan?
no there's
They
a
have
thing
hair?
they are saying that it's a
Yeah.
it's a thing कि
Scientific
वो उस वक्त even हो जाती है growth बच्चे की पर पता नहीं
Myth for some, true for some.
Yeah.
yeah
Urban legend.
If the baby cries a lot, it means someone gave them nazar.
No, it means rape, though it's in pain or like
Or hungry or
yeah among colic
Yeah.
what's called
Somebody should nazar the baby कि इसको खिला दो.
terrible gas.
Never let the baby look at themselves in mirror before 6 months.
Eh?
नहीं, this all this nonsense.
Myth.
No, no, no.
मैं तो अमूल को उठा के सबसे पहले वहीं लेके जाती हूँ
हाँ.
देखो.
every mirror.
Raising boys is easier than raising girls.
No.
No, I don't think. I
Not
think it's
at all.
opposite,
Okay.
as she will tell you. नहीं
Girls
क्या?
are easier
नहीं
than boys.
मतलब
most
सब every day is different
Yeah.
Really? But उसे उम्र में?
boys I think physically it's a little more challenging भागना पड़ता है but emotionally girls you have to be more available for them
Sure.
Fair. But is it like girls are sincere?
No, boys are very sincere.
boys also
ऐसा नहीं
Yeah,
बोलते.
ऐसा नहीं.
My boy is very sincere.
If the parents argue during pregnancy, the child becomes moody.
That
ये कैसे पता चलेगा?
नहीं.
Black threads protect babies better than vaccines.
वो तो आपके ऊपर है.
better than
Better than
vaccines
vaccines.
Doubt. I doubt it, but जिसको ऐसा
Yeah,
लगता
जिसको
है,
है.
उनको लगे.
And the last one, babies understand everything, but they just pretend they don't.
I would like to believe that. I think they're very wise.
Yeah, I agree.
Till they start talking, I think they know everything. They're judging you somewhere.
Oh,
वो भी तो होता है ना वो क्या sleep like a baby ऐसे करके तो ऐसे लगता है कि babies can sleep to everything ऐसे थोड़ी सी भी आवाज़ करो वो उठ भी जाते हैं so you have to be very quiet around them मुझे तो लगता है उनको सब समझ आता है but
and I would want to end it with the last question. You know, having a baby on the set and working with it and everything, what was that one thing you took from it? Ki it was good, you know, being in that zone, yeah, being a child when you all were just tension free and everything was relaxed.
like taking us back there
Yeah.
I mean sometimes I see my children and
I
I'm
don't
like
have memories from when I was 4 months, but it's really great. Like you don't have to do much. Just
Yeah.
eat,
Yeah,
sleep,
exactly
fart,
that.
poop, and you're just looked after. You can actually they can't do it. It's like the weather. Like you know, as an actor, if you're late and you're like, oh sorry, they'll get angry with you saying late हो रहा है तेरी वजह से. तो बारिश होगी तो क्या करोगे? वैसे ही बच्चा सो रहा है तो सो रहा है, अपनी जगह
नहीं कर
सकते हो.
सकते.
Babies, no, I don't know what to say, but yeah, like it's nice to be. I mean, like if I look back at my childhood, yeah, for sure. Like I didn't have those kind of stresses, worries. Like खेलने जाना है and my friend is over and आज खाने में क्या बना है, and it was nice and I want my child to enjoy. I don't want him to grow up too soon. I
Yeah.
want him to have fun.
Same, other than the child part. I don't. I'm guessing it was fun. Yeah.
Lovely guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.